How to check deleted search history on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. Now go to the menu bar from your top right corner. After that, go to Account Center. Scroll down and then go to your information and permissions. Go to download your information. Now go to download or transfer your information. Select your Instagram account. Tap on next. And then go to some of your information, and then from here you will be able to select some of the informations, or you can also choose to select all, and then tap on next. Go to download to device, create files, and it will be downloaded to your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.